Hello, this is Miss Janet with JLS Success Central, a DIY resource center for individuals who are working on building their personal finances. And if you're working on building your personal finances, more than likely, you're working on building your credit scores as well, because your credit scores are a strong indicator of your financial well-being. So, you can't have one without the other. I'm so happy to be with you today. I pray you're having an absolutely wonderful and God-filled day, and I can't wait to share information with you today. I am not a credit repair person, nor am I a financial consultant, but I am someone who this time last year had 550 scores and around 550, 570, 580, that type of stuff. But now I have 722 to 766, and I'm looking forward to this summer of joining the 800 club. And by the end of the year, I pray that all my scores are going to be in the 800s, because I'm going to do what I need to do to get it there. So what I'm telling you, there's no quick fix to getting your credit, your credit in order and your finances in order. Yeah, you can pay somebody and get it done, and they can get rid of all your derogatories, your negatives, get your scores up. But guess what? 9 chances out of 10, you end up right back in the same boat. But when you do it yourself, when you put in the work yourself, when you have the patience and the fortitude to get it done, you're going to protect it. You're going to protect it. So, we have a treasure trove of information that I want to share with you, and mostly everything we have is free. Information definitely is free, but we have a lot of downloads and things like that you can take advantage of. I have a blog, jlssuccesscentral.com. You can go on my blog and you can download free information, and we have a lot of articles. But on my videos, I want to have an impact in your life. I want to add value to your life. So we will have individuals come from time to time, credit experts or financial consultants come and give you a few tips on how to achieve your goals. One of my most favorite people is Dr. Credit King. His name is Chayo Briggs. He helped me so much when I was starting out on my journey. And he has this book that's called Your Credit is Your Credibility. That changed my life. Just the title changed my life, because I want people, you may not be able to see me. Now, when you see me and meet me, I know I'm warm and I'm fuzzy, but on paper, I wasn't warm and fuzzy. I wasn't reliable. I wasn't anybody that you wanted to do business with. I wasn't anybody that you wanted to give $5 to. But now it's different. Now things are different. But all I want to say is, this is not something that's done overnight. It takes time. It takes time. But trust and believe. Trust and believe. The rewards far outweigh the time that you put in. So today we're going to be talking about credit builder loans. Building your credit with credit builder loans. So if you have you're in the low sixes, maybe high fives or something like that, and you need to, you want to build your credit. Again, this is not instantly. This is not a 30-day or a 60-day thing. This is over a period of time. But consider a credit builder loan. And I'm going to share some information with you. And remember, I told you, if I share information with you, I've done my research. I've used it, or I know someone that has used it. But you have to conduct your own research. You have to conduct your own due diligence. Miss Janice says, trust but verify. So let's get to the credit builder loan information. Now here's something here. I like this. It says, let me see if I can enlarge this. I can, yay. Good credit history is essential for financial empowerment. So we're going to start off with this credit builder loan and build from there. Okay. Maybe you've had a bankruptcy. Maybe you've gone through a divorce. Maybe you got laid off. Maybe you're on unemployment right now. You know, there's just so much that affect our financial status. But just know there's always something that we can do to make it better. So no matter where your credit score is now, you can always make it better. And might I suggest a credit builder loan? A credit builder loan is a combination loan and savings program that can help you establish a solid payment and payment history and take control of your future. That is so important because, you know, you want to build your credit score, but how about building your credit score and your savings at the same time? Yeah, and as a result, you'll be able you end up being able to choose your own path. So every time you make a payment on one of these, you're actually saving money. You're putting money in a savings account, and I'll tell you how that works down, as we go further along. But this is designed to help you become financially fit. We want to flex these financial muscles. Our muscles are soft. Our bill paying muscles are soft, and we want to build them up. Well, this is a way that you can build them up. And you know what? If you start off with a credit builder loan with a bank or a credit union, and you pay it on time and no late payments, and pay it for the period of time that you agreed, you know what? The chances of you getting a unsecured loan with them it's increased exponentially. Who knows? You might be able to get a home loan from them, a mortgage. You might be able to buy a car, but don't look at, oh, I need my score raised. I need my score raised. No, I want to build my credit. I want to build my credibility. And okay, so a credit builder loan does not provide immediate funds. So you don't get it. So you don't have to worry about it. Instead, the funds are secured in a savings account until the loan term is complete. Now, back in the day, we used to do something similar to this, but you had to have your own money. So if you wanted a $3,000 account, you had to put $3,000 in in a secured account, that kind of thing. Sort of like a secured credit card, but it was with the bank. And then, you pay like that. But this is so much better. You don't use any of your own money. You just pay. And you know how the bank makes money? They make money off of the interest. So I'll break it down for you and you can see how this works out. So based on the financial institution that you're working with, you can request amounts from $500 to $3,500 for your credit builder loan. And your repayment term can be between 6 and 36 months. Here's an example. Again, when I talk about a company or institution, a financial institution, I'm not, unless I say that I am affiliated with them or I'm referring you to them. This is just an example. I have no connection with DCU. I don't get paid. I don't know, how do I put this? This is just a very good example because my husband used this particular credit union and for a credit builder account, and it worked. Okay, so this is DCU, Digital Federal Credit Union, and you have to be a member. They don't run a credit check for you to become a member, but they do check system. So if you're on check systems, you may need one of these type of accounts that don't run a credit check. And again, you can conduct your due diligence. You can find them online and then find out about their interest rate and their repayment and everything that's required. But there is an account for you. Okay, so This particular company, they have an easy online application, about 5 minutes to complete. And then you can build or rebuild your credit rating as you build your savings, just like I said before. I'm going to keep saying that. You're going to be building your credit, rebuilding your credit, and also saving. Building your savings. Because like I said earlier, every time you make a payment, that goes into your savings account. That's a savings account, and that's money that's going to be available to you at the end of the loan period. So you can borrow at this particular institution, you can borrow from $500 to $3,000 for 12 to 24 months. So here's the terms: up to 24 months, APR 5% interest rate. That's really, really good. That's real good. They have some companies. I saw one credit builder company was 39%. I'm like, now you're doing more harm than good. You know what? You're setting an individual up to fail. So, and a lot of times, if they're 39%, that means it's a no credit check type situation. So, you know what? There's no credit check type of credit builder loans that don't charge you 39%. So don't go for the okie doke. Don't go for anything. You know, conduct your due diligence and find what's best for you and your family, okay? And EMP. EMP is estimated monthly payment. The estimated monthly payment is $43.87 per thousand. So up to $1,000, you pay $43.87 a month. If you get $2,000, up to $2,000, you have to pay $87.74. And if it's up to $3,000, it's $131.61. So, but you know what? Again, don't look at it as, oh, I got to increase my score. Don't look at it as, oh, I need to get to a 700 or whatever the case may be. Look at it as, oh, I'm building a payment history. And while I'm building a payment history, a positive payment history, I'm also saving money. So again, every time you make a payment, that money is your money is going to come back to you. Okay. And the interest that's accrued, this particular organization, they take half of the dividends or the interest that is accrued. And some companies, some financial institutions take it all, but that's for you to determine, you know, when you are conducting your due diligence and looking for the right fit for yourself. Okay. Now, what's the difference between a credit builder loan and a payday loan? Okay, a credit builder loan, you know, they never put the money in your hand. They open up an account for you, and it's a savings account. So every time you make a payment on that, you're showing positive history, and you're also saving money. Well, what does the bank get out of it? Part of that interest or all of that interest. But you know what? It's worth it because you are flexing that payment muscle. Simultaneously, you're also flexing your savings muscle. Just think if you're doing that for 1, 2, 3 years, what a difference it'll make in your life. What a difference it'll make as it pertains to your other bills. Because this is not going to be your only account. I'm sure you're going to have other accounts, and you just duplicate that. And make sure you set up an automatic payment so that that payment will get there on time, you know, with your bank, that this particular payment will be paid on time. And all of your bills, if possible. I mean, all of your debt, if possible. Okay? So, and the difference between a payday loan, of course, they put the money in your hand and they have these crazy interest rates. Who has not been on the payday loan merry-go-round? I can't raise my hand to that one because I was on it in the late 90s and I just couldn't get off. You know, I just couldn't get off. I'm so glad that that's not part of my life now. And if it's a part of your life, and if it's what you're doing now, you know what? Work on getting out of that, because that, you don't save any money. There's no credit reporting. There's none of that. And I bet you if you don't pay them, they'll put a negative mark on your credit report, just like a credit builder loan. So get you a credit builder loan. There's more benefits to it. Okay, is there a fee? Okay, some organizations do charge a fee. The one that I just showed you, they do not. They do not. They don't charge a fee. So, but again, you have to check about their application fees, the interest rate. Do they keep all of the interest, or do they share it with you? What is the dealio? Only you can find out, okay? Don't make a move till you know these things, all right? How will it improve my credit score? Well, it'll improve your credit score by showing a positive payment history. If you're paying on time, it'll show a positive payment history. You know, it'll show that you've been paying X amount of dollars every month for this many months, 12 months, 24 months, 36 months. And the longer you have it, the more money you save. And of course, the stronger that credit line is. So again, I don't assume that this is going to be or is your only or will be your only credit line of credit. But today, this is what we're talking about. And throughout our relationship and watching my videos, I will come to you with other opportunities to build your credit that you can, how do I put it? You can verify and make a decision if you want to get involved in it. But me, you'll never get anything, any get rich quick schemes here with me. Everything is going to be a process. Everything is going to be a process. So now I'll tell you what, how does it improve your score? It improves your score if you pay it on time. If you don't pay it on time, they're going to report negative to all 3 credit reporting agencies. So that's the waste of an incredible opportunity. There's so many pros here. I'm not going to go through all of them because I just keep talking about it and keep talking about it. But the most incredible thing about this is you build your payment history and your savings at the same time. So if this information has been valuable to you, if it's something that you can use, press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you know someone that can use this information, pass it on to them. Because like I said, we have a treasure trove in information. You know, our upcoming videos, we're going to be talking about lines of credit. We're going to be talking about investments. We're going to be talking about how to read your credit report. Dr. Chayo Briggs, I'm going to bring him in just to explain that to you. He considers your credit report like your resume. I like that, but he'll break it down for you. But anyway, like I said, if this video has been of value to you, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also check out my blog. It is jlssuccesscentral.com. We have a lot of articles. It's updated twice a week. We have ebooks available. Those ebooks are available for sale. Now, mostly everything that we introduce or discuss on the videos are free to you. But if you want an ebook or something like that, go to my blog. Okay. Hey, this is Miss Janet, and continue to have an absolutely wonderful God-filled day, grace and peace, and I'll see you later.